Hello, teachers. The following is a summary of assessment and information you may need to write it down on your training copybook. Assessment. Assessing and helping primary school students who are learning a foreign language for the first time is important. Assessment is when teachers check how well students are doing and find areas where they need help. There are different types of assessment. 1. Diagnostic assessment. This is the first assessment that helps teachers understand what students know and what they need to learn. 2. Formative assessment. This assessment happens while students are learning. Teachers use quizzes, observations, and discussions to see how well students are doing and make changes if needed. 3. Summative assessment. This assessment is done at the end of a unit or course to see how well students understand the language. It can include tests and projects. Formative assessment and summative assessment are two distinct types of assessment used in education to serve different purposes. Formative assessment. Purpose. Formative assessment is conducted during the learning process with the goal of providing ongoing feedback to both learners and instructors to improve learning outcomes. Timing. It occurs throughout the instructional period, allowing adjustments to teaching methods and materials. Nature. Formative assessments are typically more informal and may include quizzes, discussions, observations, peer reviews, or self-assessments. Focus. The focus is on identifying areas of improvement, understanding gaps, and guiding the learning process. Summative assessment. Purpose. Summative assessment is conducted at the end of a learning period, such as a unit, course, or program, to evaluate the overall learning achievement and measure the extent to which learning objectives were met. Timing. It is administered at the conclusion of the learning period and is used to make judgments about the effectiveness of the teaching and learning process. Nature. Summative assessments are more formal and may include final exams, standardized tests, projects, or comprehensive assignments. Focus. The focus is on assigning grades or determining the overall level of mastery achieved by the learner. In summary, formative assessment is focused on improving ongoing learning, while summative assessment is focused on evaluating the final outcomes of the learning process.